Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at chemistry. Now we have a JAMB pass question on the board. It reads, how many lone pairs of electrons are there on the central atom of the H2O molecules? A 1, B 2, C 3 and D 4. Now how do we solve this question? Let us go. Alright, now in attempting this kind of question, the first step here, alright, is to locate the central element in the molecule of water. So if I have H2O, okay, the central element here is oxygen, alright, and oxygen has an atomic number of 8. Alright, now let us write the electronic configuration of oxygen. Okay, it's going to be 1s2, 2s2, and 2p4. Is that clear? Let's look at this. 1, 2. Okay, that's for the 1s2. Is that clear? Now for the 2s2. 1, 2. That's 2s2. And then for the 2p orbital. Okay, so this is 2px, this is 2py, and this is 2p what? Z. Is that clear? Now 4 electrons. Now 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are you following now? Now, looking at what we are having here, all right, now you will discover that there are 2 unpaired electrons here. All right, now these 2 unpaired electrons are actually available for bond formation. All right, so take note of this: 2 unpaired electrons. Are you following now? An atom of hydrogen can form a bond here, all right? Now another atom of hydrogen can form a bond there, all right? Now this now, okay, and this, all right, they are not available for bond formation. So we are having a lone pair of electron here and another lone pair of electron here, making it what? 2 lone pairs of electron. So we are having 2 lone pairs of electron. Now these lone pairs of electrons, they are not available for bond formation. So the right answer to this question is what? Is 2. All right, so there are actually 2 lone pairs of electron on the central atom of water molecule, as I've explained there. So thank you and bye bye.